Welcome, aspiring chefs and culinary adventurers, to a world where every chop, stir, and sizzle brings you closer to the delights of the kitchen. Today, we embark on an educational journey through cooking games and interactive recipes on P42, where learning about culinary arts becomes a flavorful and immersive experience. Join us as we explore the art of cooking, unravel the mysteries of recipes, and discover the joys of culinary creativity. Cooking is both an art and a science, requiring a mastery of culinary techniques and principles. On P42, you'll have the opportunity to explore a variety of cooking techniques through interactive games and challenges. Whether you're learning how to make sandwiches, salads, or prepare soup, each activity offers a fun and engaging way to develop your culinary skills and become a more competent and proficient cook. Cuisine is a reflection of culture, history, and geography, with each region of the world offering its own unique flavors and culinary traditions. On P42, you'll embark on a culinary journey around the globe, exploring the rich diversity of global cuisines through interactive recipes and cooking games. Cooking is a creative endeavor that offers endless opportunities for experimentation and innovation. On P42, you'll unleash your culinary creativity through a variety of interactive recipes and cooking games. Whether you're inventing your own signature dish, adapting a traditional recipe to suit your tastes, or exploring new flavor combinations and cooking techniques, each activity offers a fun and inspiring way to express yourself in the kitchen and unleash your inner chef. As we conclude our lesson in cooking through games and interactive recipes on P42, we hope you've gained a deeper appreciation for the art and science of culinary arts. From mastering culinary techniques to exploring global flavors and cuisines, each activity offers a rich and rewarding experience that will inspire you to embrace the joys of cooking and culinary creativity.